So you might be in a position where for some reason your blood pressure tracking is not working on your Apple Watch. Now, number one, you have to have an Apple Watch Series 9, Series 10, or Series 11 in order to actually utilize this. So if you don't have any of those Apple Watches, then that might be a problem. You will also need to be on iOS 26 or above. So remember that you have to be on iOS 26 in order to basically utilize it. Now, once you have your Apple Watch connected to your iPhone, what you also want to just double check is to make sure that you have it enabled inside of your iPhone settings, your iPhone health settings. So what you basically do here is you make your way over into your health application of your iPhone, and you want to specifically look out for a little option that says, your hypertension notifications. So you can get there by clicking onto your summary page at the bottom, so making sure you're in summary, tapping in the top right corner of your settings application here, and there should be a little option that says something like notifications. If you tap on notifications, you should be able to see, certain notifications that kind of come up. So that is something to keep in mind here. Also for health checklists, health records, all these things, you can kind of go through here and kind of just make sure that everything looks good. Now under health checklist, this page should allow you to go ahead and basically set up hypertension notifications, which is right here. If it says that it's unavailable, that means the watch does not support hypertension notifications. But if it does support it, it should be showcased right here. You can go ahead and tap on it, and then you'll be able to actually enable and utilize those hypertension notifications right there. So that's basically all you're going to have to do. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.